Perhaps you have seen YouTube channels use AI talking avatars like this guy, or me. And yes, these talking avatars with AI voices are getting monetized on YouTube. So in today's video, I will show you how to create these talking animations in 3 simple steps. Without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. We will create a character for your video. We'll use Bing AI Image Generator for this. In the search bar, enter Bing AI Image. Click on the first link you see. You can sign in with your Microsoft account or sign up for free if you don't have one. Here, I will input this prompt. You can find it in the description below. Feel free to modify it any way you want. Now hit Create. Wait for a few seconds. It will display 4 results each time you generate. Carefully choose the one you like the most. You can always create again until you're satisfied. As my channel name is AI Panda, so I created this panda avatar as my visual. Now comes step 2, image editing. We'll use Photor for this. This is Photor's dashboard. This website is really useful when it comes to editing images. Next, choose AI Expand. Now import the image you just created. Change the custom size to 1920 to 1080, which is YouTube resolution. Then adjust the image position to the middle and hit Generate. As a result, this AI tool will fill out the whole page for you based on the original image. Choose Generate More if you want to have more options. Pick the one you like the most and hit Apply. If you reach this step, consider hitting that like and subscribe button to support free content on my channel. Thank you. Now choose Magic Eraser. We will have to erase the character's mouth. I will reduce the brush size and brush over the panda's mouth. Be careful, you don't want to touch the other parts. That's perfect. Once you're done, download the image. Now that you have your AI avatar ready, the final step is to make him talk. We will use CAPCUT for this. CAPCUT is a completely free software and very popular for video editing. Open CAPCUT. Create project. Import your character image and the video of a talking mouth animation. You can find the link to download it in the description below. Drag them to the timeline in this order and adjust the length of each footage to match the other. Make sure you delete the audio in the talking animation video. Then choose Modify. Change your project name and set the ratio to 16:9. Click on the mouth talking video. Scroll down to the bottom and choose number 2. This will bring the mouth on top of your character. Then choose Remove Background, Chroma key, Color Picker, and click on the green background. Increase the intensity and shadow to the maximum. You can now adjust the mouth size and position to fit your character. You can also add effects in the effects section. There are many cool effects to choose from. Take your time to experience with your character. There you have it. A simple way to create your own avatar talking animation. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and don't forget to like and follow my channel. See you in the next video.